What's going on, you guys? My name is Rafael. I'm with Stamper Signings. We're a nationwide notary service that help notaries grow their business through estate plan signings. If you haven't noticed, AI has been the hot topic for 2025. Many entrepreneurs are scrambling around trying to learn about AI or even how to implement this into their business. Well, if you're a notary that's watching this video, AI wouldn't be the thing that I would start off with. If I had to start my business from scratch again, I would start with Calendly. If you're not familiar, Calendly is a scheduling app that you can use to schedule signings for your business. So if you're currently still answering the phone, responding to text messages, or even email requests for your signings, you are behind the eight ball. Here's a couple of reasons why you want to implement this into your business. Number one, this is going to allow you to book signings in your sleep. This is also going to allow you to book signings while you're at a signing. So if you're not able to answer the phone or even respond to those email requests, you don't have to worry about that because you have this tool in place that'll allow you to book signings and you won't have to worry about losing a client. The second reason why you want to implement this into your business is because the app will allow you to save your client's name, their phone number, and their email address. So that way, once the signing is completed, you can send them a review request for your Google business profile or your Yelp profile, or you can also put them on an email campaign so that way you can continue to stay in touch with your clients, which is going to lead to you getting repeat business. So if you're a notary that's watching this video today, make sure you go to calendly.com. Make sure you set up an account today so you can transform your business. I hope you guys got value from this. I hope you guys are using these tools to grow your business and you can stay ahead of the curve. As always, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.